ऑलराइट और हमारे नुमाइंदे रुमैल जो हैं वो भी हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। इन्हें टॉक टू द पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफिसर ओवर देयर। रुमैल ज़रा बात कीजिए और बताइए इस वक्त क्या सेंटिमेंट्स है वहाँ पे।
मेरे साथ इस वक्त मौजूद है वोटिंग के स्टाफ आईएन से जानते हैं कि वोटिंग की टाइमिंग क्या है, लोग पर्सनली वोट डालने। लेट्स आस्क हिम people what time people can come and vote it today and like how's the turnaround here. Hi.
Hello, how are
What's your
you?
name? Good.
My name is Sherry Jackman. I'm the Public Information Officer for the City of Dublin.
All right. Yeah. So like what time people can come and vote early, today?
Well, here at the Dublin Civic Center, the election, people can drop off their ballots here at a drop box we have outside here, or they can go in and vote electronically until 8 o'clock p.m. tonight.
Oh, and drop off anytime?
Drop off anytime until 8 o'clock. Yes.
Okay.
The ballot box will be emptied at that point.
So compared to early voting by ballot paper, is that effect like people still coming for vote, or they still prefer to doing the mailing service?
I think it differs with everybody. Some people like to go in and mark their ballots electronically, and some like to fill them out at home and then just drop them off. It's a little bit easier just to drop them off here at the ballot box.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।